Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk about the ConvertKit affiliate program. ConvertKit is an email marketing platform specifically designed for creators like bloggers, YouTubers, and course creators. It focuses on email marketing for creators. ConvertKit has an excellent affiliate program. It serves big creators as their go-to email marketing platform. If you love to share helpful things to people around you or your audience, their affiliate program might be the best fit for you. You get 30% recurring commission for up to 24 months for every creator you send their way. The way it works is simple. You sign up, then start sharing the custom link. They send you in the right places. They provide you with training courses, graphics and video assets, webinars to use as a funnel, and a dashboard to track your progress. And you will start earning the 30% commission for 24 months for every person who signs up and becomes a paying customer through your link. Their mission is to help content creators earn better for all the value they provide. They also have the same mission for you as you are helping the creator by referring them. Here are some of the concerns. You can get your payouts through PayPal only, making it safe and secure for the payments. Affiliate commissions are approved on a monthly basis on the first day of the month. There is a minimum delay of 30 days before approving pending commissions as they have a no questions asked refund policy. The day that you get your payout depends on when the commission was earned. The great thing is there is no threshold, making it easier for you to withdraw any amount. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.